wake up, so getting in a comfortable seated position. We're going to breathe in through the nose and out with an SH sound. That's the sound for the wood element. Shh. Shh. And as you make that sound, see if you can call to mind something that you'd like to let go of. So this practice is about letting go of what you don't need, any anger or irritation, and leaving room and space for what wants to arise in terms of action or not action in its place, right? When we have anger and irritation, it fills up the room. It doesn't leave space for anything. So, shh, clear it all out. And then let's begin to thump on that K27, activating all the meridians in the body. And if you want to make that sound, you can throughout the wake up, or at least the 4 thumps. Come down to the thymus. Activating the immune system. And coming to the side body, that endpoints for the spleen meridian. Integrating and assimilating all those emotions that we have, and all of the food that we eat and what we drink. Shake off the hands, come right below the eyes. Stomach meridian, grounding our energy into the earth. And then bring the hands down to your knees and pause for a moment. Close your eyes and feel the energy of the body. How is it for you this morning? Feel the tingling, pulsing energy. And then opening your eyes, bring your right hand to your right knee, left to left, walk back and forth a couple of times. Brush it off, shake it off. Right comes to the left, left comes to the right, and really swing those arms around. Getting a little twist in the body as you swing the arms from side to side, getting that cross crawl action, crossover patterns that are so healthy for us. Activating the spine here. All right. And then pause, bring your hands in front of your pubic bone. And let's just set an intention to let go of any negative energy that we don't need to hold on to. And open up for the bright light around us. Breathe in as you lift your hands up to your mouth. Reach up and push that into your energy field. Breathe in 2 more times. Excellent. Third finger in the belly button, third finger in the third eye. Push in, lift up. Breathe into the nose, out to the mouth. Excellent. All right, so remove the cushion. You can place it out to the side and bring the soles of the feet together, hands behind you. Work the inner thighs towards the heels, and let's come into that bound angle pose. Opening up the inner thighs, sitting up nice and tall. And then take the left foot and put it in front of your right knee or across. making sure that both sits bones are grounded. If you're up like this, you want to bring the foot in front so you can get both sits bones to ground. And just make a little twist to the left, gaze to the left, feel that rotation of the spine from the bottom all the way out to the top. Deep breath in and out. Twists also help us let go of negative energy. Coming back to the middle, we're going to lean back, bring our feet together again, coming back into bound angle. This time the elbows can come down to the knees, softly guiding the knees down towards the floor. Or you can reach forward with your hands, bow the head, tuck the chin. Getting a nice stretch through the back body here. I can feel that from my hips all the way out through the top of my head. Oh, that feels really good. Coming back. Take the right foot this time and place it in front or across your left knee. Sit up nice and tall and then twist to the right. Rotating that spine, squeezing the internal organs, squeezing the body and helping it to release. Letting go of toxins, both physical and emotional. And then slowly coming back to center. Take an integrating breath in and out. So liver meridian is the yin meridian for wood. We're going to clear that meridian. The meridian starts, I'm going to kind of pop up on my pillow here again so I can do this easier. You might want to do that too. The meridian starts on the inner part of the big toe, right? And so we're going to put our hands over the big toe and pull the hands up the inner leg all the way up to the hips. And then you're going to flare out to the side and then come back in under the rib cage, right? So you come up kind of at the pubic bone and then you flare out and then flare in, okay? Okay, so then we're going to start here and we're going to trace backward. So starting here, come down the side body and then down to the pubic bone, down the leg, off the big toe. And then we're going to trace forward 3 times. Big toe gets covered, come all the way up the inner leg to the pubic bone, flare out, up the side to where the rib cage is, and then underneath the rib cage. This is liver 14. We're going to do that 2 more times. Cover the big toe, trace up the leg to the pubic bone, flare out, and then in. Liver 14 is the gate of hope, right? It connects to heart energy. Let's do it 1 more time. And it brings back hope and fuels the optimism and drive of the wood element. Helps to activate the virtue of forgiveness and brings our next chapter of life into focus. Yeah, really massage that a little bit. Yes. So we have an expanded vision of what the future holds. Shake off your hands. And then gallbladder is right here at the edge of the eye. So let's just lightly tap that edge of the eye. It's the yang meridian for wood, gallbladder. Tap that a few times. And then gallbladder ends on the edge of the 4th toe. So we're going to reach down here and tap the 4th toe, activating that gallbladder meridian. Excellent.